And this is the chain after the official service at the dealer. Look at all the WD-40 running out of there. This is the result after 2 years, even with the price here. Amazing. And this is the chain after the official service at the dealer. Amazing. I knew I brought it dirty, but full. Look at all the WD-40 running out of there. Chain cleaner, Yamaha Lube. I'm not sponsored, but this is what I use. And this is how it looks afterwards. Amazing. Alright, let's mount everything back. we are gonna put a little bit of grease here. There are many ways of doing this, but I'm gonna show you how I do it, so that we don't make a total mess later. So I use this one, original from Yamaha. There are many videos around reviewing them, others using engine oil as well, but this is how I do it right now, especially because here with the weather things get really rusty. So this is how I do. In every phase of the chain, a little bit of grease. And then while we are here, we also put a little bit on the back. This is mostly so that it doesn't get rusty, because the O-rings are usually well lubricated, but if you don't do this, in a few days it will be rusty again. So yeah, this is my system. Probably there are better ways. This is what I found out that works for me. Alright, and then finally we have to mount the change guard again. And then we are done with the cleaning of the chain. Yes, and that's it, ready.